On behalf of my crew, I'd like to welcome all of you on board Scoot TR360 service from Singapore to Davao. The flight time will be 3 hours and 25 minutes. Your cabin crew in charge LB and your cabin crew will make sure that you are well looked after. I'm certain that you will enjoy your flight with us. For your safety, I recommend that you always keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. As we'll be departing shortly, please sit back, relax, and have a pleasant flight. On behalf of all the crew, thank you for choosing to fly with Scoot.
Now, for assistance, please approach any of our cabin crew. Once again, thank you for flying Scoot.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on this aircraft. Please give your attention to the cabin crew at the front of the cabin. Bring the waist strap around your waist, connect the clip and pull the strap to tighten. Inflate your life vest only at the exit. To inflate, pull the red tab firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into this tube. There's a light and a whistle for attracting attention, such as smartphones and tablets in flight safe mode, unless advised by the cabin crew. Do note that during taxi, takeoff and landing, headphones or earphones must not be worn, and charging of portable electronic devices in-flight digital experience via Scoot Hub, simply scan the QR code on your tray table to access flight map, read articles and play games. Smoking and use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed. Every toilet is fitted with a smoke alarm. It is an offense to tamper with or destroy a smoke detector. Please note that consumption of outside food and drinks are not allowed on Scoot's flight. Thank you.
Local time now is 4:26 p.m. and the ground temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. To take note that there's no time difference between Davao and Singapore. Prepare traffic permitting. We estimate to land at approximately 5:05 p.m. local time. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with Scoot.
Put your seat back upright and fasten your seatbelts. Ensure tray tables are secured. Window shades should be drawn up. Please ensure your mobile phones and all portable electronic devices are in flight safe mode. Charging of portable electronic devices are not allowed during landing and taxi on arrival until seatbelt sign is switched off. All carry-on items, including laptop and notebook computers, should be stowed. Headphones or earphones are not allowed to be worn for landing and taxi on arrival. As a final reminder, please note where the nearest emergency exits are located. The nearest exit may be behind you. Thank you.
To your landing stations.
is 8 minutes past 5 in the afternoon. Charging of portable electronic devices are not allowed. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs are turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items may have moved during landing and could fall out. Please also check if you have not left anything behind on your seat or in your seat pocket. Once again, thank you for flying school.
Mag-load. Wait, ang sinten. Pwede ko natawag. Oo.
Crew, doors please up.
Internet. Anak ko nila siya. Ito, isa ko itong nawa.
Namay wifi dia sa baba eh. Ganda lang yung